So I know you guys like when the speaker is moving like crazy. What's going on, guys? A long time, right? I didn't make any videos. Now today we have a LaVoce, it's an Italian company based 15-inch driver. This is mid-range driver, mid-bass mid-range driver. So this guy is gonna play is around 40 hertz to 3000 hertz. All right. Reason why I purchased this the driver, I compare with the Seleniums, I compare with the Eminence, bunch of speakers, and 18 sounds. Really close speaker. It was 18 sounds, the mid-bass driver, the power outputs and the sensitivity, and actually it's when you're connecting to the volume, to the power, how much power it's going to put up, right? So this is Neodymium magnet. It's not heavy, and it's made like built like a tank. And actually I purchased this speaker to build my hi-fi high-end audio system, right? I'm gonna upload later on the video how I build all that stuff, right? Today just the quick review and comparison. This is the LaVoce speaker, push terminals, and you have the both side on the front, and on the back also you have a soft the foam, so you're not gonna have any problem with the air leak. And on the back, this is the Neodymium magnet. Make sure I'm recording everything nice and clean. So this is the Neodymium magnet here, and you have an exhaust the ports for the coil, and it's made like an 18 sound on the side, the exhaust port. Now a lot of speaker companies, they learn how to build a nice speaker, and this guy, it runs around $190 per speaker. And the power handling is like amazing, like 500 watt RMS power and 1000 peak power. I run 4 of them, and I decide to build a subwoofer because this guy is going to give you even 35 hertz. This guy is comfortable without any mechanical noise. I will connect to amplifier right now, so you're going to see it, how they move and mechanical noise, all that stuff. It's amazing. Some cheaper version, the Eminence speakers, the Neodymium, the new versions, it wasn't that great when the bass moves, because they're showing like 55 or the 40 hertz, but still they're making noise when they moving a lot, when the bass. It doesn't meant for the bass, but when you're using the open baffle speaker, you're gonna listen how these ports gonna acting, what kind of sound they producing when they're moving the bass, right? So I use these guys on the open baffle. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna connect a monster amplifier right now, and I'm gonna show you how this speaker will perform, right? Just after this video, I have a Dayton Audio right here, the setting, 15-inch subwoofer. So we're gonna compare both together. I'm gonna review the Dayton Audio subwoofer also. So we'll see. Now, so I'm gonna just connect this guy. The bass is pretty low, but I'm gonna run a couple music, and you guys can have idea how this guy will perform. So we're gonna add some bass, tweeter also. I'm running the full range on this guy. I'm not cutting any frequency yet. All right. Listen to the bass. This is lowest volume, and look at how clean and producing all the tones. Of course, I'm running the tweeters on this and the compression horns, but this is a mid-bass speaker, right? But look at the sound quality. Listen to the sound quality. That's what I'm talking. When it's the cleanest sound, you can't hear any mechanical noise at that volume. I'm gonna put up a little bit more so you guys can see it. I will boost a little bit bass, and let's go. It's heavy.
I'll give you all of what I've got. The fancy things, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, baby. Christ, I hope to die.
Oh my god. So this is not the maximum power. I'm getting like around like 300 watts right now. When I compare with this the Eminence, the different speakers, 18 sounds, the cheaper models, they not come close for this guy to sound performance, right? And I try to give the bass like I'm gonna lower the lower speaker. I'm gonna use like a woofer, right? Actually, I'm gonna give the throats a lot lower frequency. That's why I picked this guy. Even I'm giving the bass, this guy was moving like crazy. But on the back, like exhaust areas, some speakers start to making a lot of air noise. But this guy, it was a perfect sound. That's why I choose this guys. Even now they're around $200, guys. If you're thinking to get some speakers like this, definitely the way to go. Even the BNC, but this kind of power output, it's gonna be $380 for you, right? Similar speakers, Neodymium magnet, similar output, similar the power performance. So yeah, this is my quick review of this speaker. If you guys like, I'm gonna play another video. So I know you guys like when the speaker is moving like crazy. You're gonna be crazy, man, sitting next to speaker and throwing that much power. So yeah, this is it. Of course, when I'm running this like open baffle speaker, I'm not gonna throw that much bass because it's gonna be the bass actually subwoofer on the bottom. But as you can see, like the open baffle, it can produce tons of power, and you can say, God, Mike, you cannot. Now, guys, everything's changed. That's why when I'm recording the speakers, the testing, it's open air speaker performance. If you install some box, you can tune it. You can do a lot of range. If it's a speaker sound sucks on the open, it's not gonna be sound when you're installing like amazing, right? So nowadays you can run the speakers open air, just like listen how all the components works, what kind of mechanical noise they're gonna put up and how they will they're performing on the open air, right? So a lot of high-end speakers right now, the open baffle speakers. If you don't know what is that, just on the YouTube watch my other videos, or you know, just a search up on the YouTube open baffle speaker, so you're gonna know what I'm talking about. So it's open baffle speakers that sounds amazing, like phenomenal, but they losing a lot of bass, because this kind of bass is going to be very fast, quick, punchy bass, but it's not going to be that some deep bass, right? If you didn't subscribe to my channel, definitely subscribe. I'm going to do a lot of crazy experiment with this, and tons of speakers that are coming. Some 18 sound is coming, some new PRVs is coming, some Genius audio is coming, G Pro series. So I'm gonna upload all the videos very soon, right? Stay tuned. Let me run the different music, different test